copyrighted work. Unauthorized copying or distribution is a crime punishable by up to 5 years in prison and a fine of $250,000. Scholastic Audio presents Captain Underpants and the Big Bad Battle of the Bionic Booger Boy, Part 1. The Night of the Nasty Nostril Nuggets. The 6th epic novel by Dave Pilkey. Read by me, Len Forgione, with Dejan Freeman and Ben D'Amico.
Hi, welcome to the Cringe channel. The video just started like a few hours for today. I promise I'll make one video today, not two. Two was too hard, so I don't want to let that happen. Right now, we're working with this book. Let's hurry quickly and hurry. We only have 7 minutes and 43 seconds on our timer. So I think we stopped on, let's see. I know we did a Combinotron. Oh yeah, we're in chapter 4, Bad Sulu. Let's,
Hi everybody.
Chapter 2, Squish. Chapter 3, Chapter 4.
okay, yeah.
Bad Sulu.
Slipperama, sound of Rama's coming.
Know that he had just undergone a groundbreaking transformation. He didn't act any different. He just wandered across the top of the plastic rolling cart, sniffing everything around him, only stopping occasionally to scratch his ears or rub his whiskers. But poor Sulu was in for a big surprise. "Sulu," said Melvin, "I am your master, and you will obey my commands. I want you to demonstrate your new powers for the class. Do a super bionic jump across the room." Sulu did not respond. "Sulu," said Melvin sternly, "crush that plastic rolling cart in your bare paws." Sulu did not respond. "Sulu," Melvin shouted, "go outside, pick up a car, and throw it across the parking lot." Sulu did not respond. Finally, Melvin reached into his book bag and took out a red ping pong paddle he had designed especially for this occasion. "Sulu," he said angrily, "do as I say, or you're going to get a good spanking." This time, Sulu did respond. When he saw the ping pong paddle, he became very frightened, and his little hamster instincts took over. Sulu jumped into the air, grabbed the ping pong paddle in his right paw, and then yanked Melvin onto the plastic rolling cart with his left paw. The children finally stopped thinking about ketchup packs and toilets for a moment and settled in to watch the show.
2 chapters,
Chapter 5.
sorry.
The incredibly graphic violence chapter, Part 1. In Sound, Oh, Rama! Trademark. Warning! The following chapter contains graphic depictions of a mean little boy getting spanked by a bionic hamster. While this event is presented for humorous effect, the producers of this audiobook acknowledge that hamster attacks are no laughing matter. If you or someone you love has been the victim of a hamster attack, we strongly urge you to get help by seeking out a local support group in your area or by visiting www.whenhamstersattack.com.
The problem with incredibly graphic violence is that it's hardly ever fun. Well, all that has changed since the invention of Sound of Rama. Check it out.
Spanks for the memories. Stop it!
We did 2 chapters because the last chapter I think was a bit too short. Sorry. Next chapter, let's see. For one quick minute, I'm going to pause this video. Oops, I'm sorry. since you see chapter 7 has 3 pages, but chapter 8 has 9 pages, I don't think we'll just do a chapter tomorrow. It will be a short day. Okay. I'll end this video at, let's see, 5 minutes and 25 seconds.